Okay, well, this is a charming capsule glass tiny home on wheels. Then the home has a loft with a window and a small staircase. And there's a small kitchenette with a sink and stove. Then the living area has a sofa that converts into a bed. Then the home is parked near a serene forest setting with tall trees and a wooden deck. And the overall ambience of the photo is cozy and inviting architecture. Okay, captivating tiny home on wheels with a capsule stylish design, and the home has a glass exterior and is parked in a peaceful forest setting. Then the interior contains a bed, a small sitting area, and a kitchenette. There's a skylight above the bed, and the exterior has a wooden deck and is surrounded by lush greenery. Mesmerizing capsule glass tiny home on wheels. The home is set against a backdrop of lush green trees and a serene lake. The glass walls offer a panoramic view of the surrounding nature, and the interior of the home is minimalistic. With a comfortable bed, a small kitchenette, and a dining area, the home is parked on a grassy area near the lake. George's capsule glass tiny home on wheels. The home is set in a lush green forest. The home has a loft bed, a small kitchenette, and a built-in wardrobe. There's a small deck outside the home. The overall ambience is serene and absolutely cozy. The interior of a charming capsule glass tiny home. The tiny home is narrow and long, with a loft bed at the one end and a sitting area with a small table and chair at the other end. The walls and ceiling are made of glass, allowing natural light to fill the space. There are wooden shelves and a small dresser. The floor is made of wood, and the overall ambience is absolutely cozy and inviting and also interesting. A charming capsule glass tiny home interior. The space is cozy and well decorated with a small bed, a desk, and a few pieces of furniture. There's a window with a view of nature. The walls and ceiling are made of glass, providing a unique and immersive experience. And the floor is covered with a rug. There's a plant in the corner. A tiny house interior with a charming capsule-like design. There's a bed, a desk, and a small kitchenette. The walls are wooden and have a warm hue. The floor is made of wood absolutely, as we can look from here. And there's a window near the ceiling, and also the lighting is so soft. Okay, well, this is marvelous capsule glass tiny home interior. The space is filled with a sofa, small table, and a loft. There's a pot plant near the window. The walls and ceiling are made of glass, offering the panoramic view of the surrounding nature, and absolutely the floor is made of timber or wood texture. Well, all of the tiny home interior design are very interesting and have their own characteristic. Absolutely. Then, so which design do you like? And please write in the comment column below. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and just wait for my next video. Thank you.